Prefetch. Using PACScenter, you can use the prefetch mechanism in order to quickly download medical studies to the workstation. This mechanism issues workstations to download medical exams in advance, according to the rules defined in the organization, such as by modality or study history, and it allows to open studies in less than a second, saving time. Prefetch requests can be done using our web API, integrated by third-party applications, via HL7 by information systems complying with this protocol, or manually through the web or desktop application. First, the Radiology Information System requests PACScenter to prefetch, and then the files are automatically moved to the computers. In this way, when someone appears to work, the studies will open more quickly. It's also possible to use the manual option. In the work list, you just need to go to the cache column of the study and click No. Then, click Start and the prefetch function will be in progress. When it's ready, the studies will open more quickly and deliver an experience comparable to a native application.